Hello friends, welcome back to Simple Brains. Earning from Amazon is a lucrative business today that's called affiliate marketing. If you want to know more, please watch this video till the end to get to know how you can earn from here. Let's get started. So to get inside, all you have to do it is write Amazon Affiliate India and go to this website. Once you are in here, just join now for free. And the best part is you can use your Amazon ID, whatever you use for till now. If you have one, then you can use that. If you don't have one, just put it there and it will create one, so no issues at all. Now the pay name, you have to put in the details and address line 1. Whatever it is, so you can fill in your details. And then you need to fill in all the star mark things we have filled in for sure. And then okay, and then the pay listed above, and just click no. You're not US. If you are from US, you need to put that. Hit next. You are on the second slab. Now you can either give link to your YouTube channel, you can give link to your website, wherever you are going to promote or be the influencer for Amazon. So I'll be putting up my YouTube channel link, youtube.com/c/simplebrains, and I'm good to go. Next is what you want your ID to be. So I'll just put in Simple Brains and what it is. It is a travel and tech influencer channel. What is the spelling mistake? Okay, influencer channel. And what are the primary topics? Okay, I'll say technology and I'll say outdoors because most of the products come from here. And book, electronics, computer, office, and what else? Nothing else, leave it. And then primary type, so you can say my channel is a niche, I have a niche. And then how I promote, like how I will promote their product that they want to wish. So I'll say, yeah, these are the things through which I do it, and you can check it for yourself. How do you utilize your website to generate income? Third-party affiliate products, eBay or other affiliate, however you want. Like they want to know how you are going to promote them. How do you usually build links? I'm a coder, I'm a developer, so I develop it at editors. How many total unique visitors? I'll say 500 to 5000. Yeah. What is your primary reason for joining? To monetize, of course, I need to earn. How did you hear from us? Online search. And then when you click finish, you are given a ID. So actually I have done it for myself and I got the ID, and that ID is Simple Brains 21. So I'll just quickly log in there and will show you what's inside. That's my primary email. Here we go. So I'm logged in here. But one important thing that you need to see. Is whenever you hit finish button. Whenever like you hit the finish button, then at the profile level, every time you create a new ID. So you need to understand this, that suppose I hit my like finish button first time, so they created with the ID Simple Brains -21, and second time I hit it just by like I was just checking, I just came back and then went again and it generated 0A21. So you need to see this, otherwise all good. Once you are inside, then like both the stores are being shown. I need to see how I'll delete one. So actually I want to use this Simple Brain Story one, so I'll quickly apply it. But I want to show you one thing here. You see tax information and payment information. Once you log in, you need to provide payment and tax information to them. So it's nothing but when you go to account settings, and here you can see the payment information whatever I gave for myself. You can change the payment method anytime. You can change your address, whatever you want, how you want the payment. So if it is 1000, I want the payment to be done in my State Bank account. And that's how. If you go back and here change your contact information, so here you can change your phone number, you can change your email address. Every time you change, you get a email confirming that yes, your contact information, confirmation of change in contact information or something like that. So yeah, you can change it whatever you want. Let's go back. Okay, and then there is something called tax that I've just completed. What you have to do here is just provide your PAN number. That's it. So I just put in my PAN number and they said yeah, it's done. And if you want to retake it, I don't need it. Okay, so I'll just exit it from here. So once you are inside, you have to do these two things. Then this account is completely ready. You also get a mail saying your tax details change confirmation. So here they confirmed everything. So basically this account is now ready. So when you want to suggest something to someone, like any product, the product comes in here down. If you want to promote, let's suppose this MI power bank, then you can directly get a link here. Just copy this particular thing, put it in your website. If you want HTML only, just put it HTML only. If you want link directly, you want to give it, just give it to someone and they can hit and open it directly. And that's how that you can make on top of that. 899 it's showing, and there it was. How much? 899, same. So actually they're not losing anything, but you're gaining something out of it. That's what the affiliate marketing is. Keep watching, and yeah, if there are other affiliate marketing things you use, please share it here so that we all can leverage from that. Thank you for watching, and yeah, do like, comment and subscribe to keep us motivated and posting. Thank you.